So I thought of making Ogie a woman. And it was a blessing in disguise. Ogie was very good.
So, mas lumaki yung budget nung si Ogie na yung
Ay, hindi ko alam kung lumaki. Hindi naman siguro.
So, now na siya na nga gumanap doon, are you completely satisfied with this?
Very, very. I'm very, very satisfied. Sabi ko nga, it was a blessing in disguise siguro because nagkaroon ng bagong dimension yung character sa comedic theme nito. Nagkaroon ng bagong ideya yung character.
So, paano mo naisip na si Ogie ang ilagay dun sa role?
Hindi lang ako nag-isip. Nag-brainstorm kami. Si Direk Manny Valera, si Rosel, ako, kung ano pang gagawin namin. We came up with that idea dahil nakita namin si John Travolta naging babae sa Hairspray. Why can't we make a man be a woman this time so that parang intrinsic ang comedy doon sa script.